The air on the platform was thick, humming with the heat of early summer and the low, expectant chatter of travelers. Cicadas droned in the background, their song rising and falling like a promise. All around me, faces glowed with the promise of adventure, each person carrying their own secret hopes for the journey ahead. The sun warmed Nagano city as I waited, suitcase in hand, for a humble two-car train painted cream and green. Its paint was faded but charming, a familiar sight to locals and a symbol of possibility to me. I boarded with school children in crisp uniforms and elderly ladies with gentle smiles, settling by a wide window that promised endless views. The doors hissed shut, and with a gentle jolt, we were off, leaving behind the familiar and stepping into the unknown. The rhythmic gatan-gutun of the train became my soundtrack, urging me to slow down and simply observe. Each turn of the wheels seemed to mark the passing of time, the start of something new. City buildings faded, replaced by neat gardens and suburban homes, their rooftops glinting in the sun. The world outside softened, colors growing brighter and more inviting. My city dwellers' haste melted away with every click of the wheels. I felt myself breathing deeper, my mind quieting as the scenery rolled by. Inside, a peaceful quiet. An old man dozed in the corner. A girl sketched the passing fields, and sunlight danced across the seats. The conductor moved down the aisle, bowing politely as he checked tickets, his presence a gentle reminder of tradition and order. This was more than a commute. It was the true start of my adventure, a threshold between the everyday and the extraordinary. I pressed closer to the window, eager for the landscapes ahead, my heart beating in time with the train. The urban sprawl vanished, replaced by the green heart of Nagano. Rice paddies shimmered in the sun and distant mountains beckoned. Mountains, fields and forests beckoned just outside, each scene more beautiful than the last, unfolding like pages in a storybook. The real Japan, the one I dreamed of, was waiting, quiet, lush and full of possibility. The journey had truly begun, and with every mile I felt myself opening to the world in a new way. The train rolled on, carrying me into the unknown, deeper into the heart of summer and the promise of discovery. I felt a simple, pure joy, a sense of freedom that only travel can bring, as if anything was possible. This was the magic of travel, transition, anticipation and wonder, all wrapped up in the gentle motion of a summer train ride through Japan. The view from my window was a living painting, shifting with the light and seasons, always inviting me to pause and look closer. Vast green rice paddies shimmered under the sun, reflecting blue sky and white clouds. In the early morning, a gentle mist would rise, softening the edges of the fields and making everything feel dreamlike. Traditional farmhouses dotted the fields, their dark-tiled roofs nestled among emerald rows. Smoke sometimes curled from their chimneys, hinting at quiet lives unfolding inside. Beyond, the Japanese Alps rose, misty and ancient, their slopes cloaked in endless forest. The mountains seemed to hold secrets, their peaks often hidden by drifting clouds. The mountains weren't just a backdrop, they shaped everything, from the weather to the way people lived and traveled. The train wound through valleys, revealing new vistas at every turn. Each bend in the tracks offered a fresh perspective, a new story unfolding outside my window. We stopped at quiet, unmanned stations, each with its own charm. Flower pots, a sleeping cat, waving schoolchildren, and the gentle hum of rural life. These tiny stations were gateways to gentle communities, where neighbors greeted each other and time seemed to slow down. Life here moved at a slower, more human pace. People strolled, children played, and the air was filled with the sounds of nature. I watched rivers, fishermen, shrines, and tunnels flash by, each detail mesmerizing. Every glimpse out the window told a story of tradition and quiet beauty. The scenery changed constantly, always beautiful, always surprising, as if the land itself was alive and breathing. This slow journey let me absorb every moment, letting the landscape imprint itself on my memory. It was a meditative feast for the senses, a gentle reminder of the beauty found in stillness and observation. My first stop was Hakuba, a village transformed by summer's green. Stepping off the train, the air was crisp and pine-scented, the sky impossibly blue. Chalet-style lodges nestled among flowers, and peace settled over me. I took a gondola up the mountain, gliding over dense forest to breathtaking views. At the summit, jagged peaks, some still snow-capped, towered above. I hiked through fields of alpine flowers, butterflies dancing, birds singing. A serene mountain lake mirrored the sky, offering profound tranquility. Later, I sipped herbal tea on a terrace, clouds drifting over the peaks. Hakuba's magic was in its grand mountains and quiet moments with nature. It was invigorating, restorative, a true breath of fresh air. From Hakuba's heights, I descended to Azumino's gentle plains. Here, crystal streams and soft fields created a tapestry of calm. At Dayo Wasabi Farm, pure spring water flowed through vibrant green beds. Wooden bridges and mossy water wheels added to the serene beauty. I tasted wasabi ice cream, sweet, then subtly spicy, and fresh wasabi, a revelation. Azumino's light and scenery inspired local artists, their work echoing the landscape. In a small gallery, a potter explained how the seasons shaped her art. The area nourished both body and soul. Nature and creativity thrived side by side. Summer in Nagano is a feast for the senses, where every day feels like a celebration of nature's abundance. The air is warm and fragrant, carrying the promise of fresh harvests and sunlit afternoons. Markets overflowed with sun-warmed tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and sweet corn, their colors as vivid as the landscape itself. Stalls brim with produce picked at its peak, inviting you to taste the very essence of summer. I tasted a peach from a roadside stall. Juicy, fragrant, unforgettable, its sweetness lingered, a perfect memory of a sun-drenched afternoon, and I realized how every fruit here tells a story of the land. Local cuisine celebrated the season. Cold soba with freshly grated wasabi, tempura of mountain vegetables, and dishes crafted with care from ingredients grown nearby. Each meal was a tribute to Nagano's rich soil and clear waters. At a family-run minshuku, every meal was a celebration of Nagano's land. The hospitality was heartfelt, and the flavors told stories passed down through generations. Even snacks delighted. Kakigori shaved ice with fruit syrup cooled the hottest days, while gohei mochi grilled with miso walnut sauce offered a savory, comforting bite unique to the region. Each bite connected me to the region's traditions, and every shared meal deepened my appreciation for Nagano's culture and community. Food here was more than sustenance. It was a delicious exploration, a journey through flavors and stories that revealed the heart of Nagano. Every meal was a memory, a moment to savor and remember, woven into the fabric of my travels. The flavors of Nagano lingered long after each meal, leaving me with a sense of gratitude and wonder for the region's bounty. The journey was as much about taste as it was about place, and every bite brought me closer to the soul of Nagano. A journey is shaped by the people you meet. In Nagano, kindness was everywhere. A silent guide at the station, a smile and a bow. At my minshuku, Keiko-san and her husband welcomed me like family, sharing stories and laughter. In Azumino, a potter proudly showed me his craft, his passion bridging any language gap. Local ladies offered me a sun-warmed tomato. A station master drew me a map. These small acts of generosity became my most treasured memories. The spirit of rural Japan was gentle, open-hearted, and unforgettable. It was the people who made the journey truly special. As the train carried me from Nagano's green valleys, I reflected on the magic of slow travel. Here, nature and tradition are alive in every moment. The taste of a peach, the sound of cicadas, the cool river water. Simple pleasures felt profound. Traveling slowly, I connected deeply with the land and its people. The beauty of Nagano revealed itself in unhurried moments. If you dream of a journey that soothes the soul, imagine yourself on that little train, summer breeze on your face. This is the magic of rural Japan, gentle, beautiful, unforgettable. It is simply marvelous.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.